Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install the Nike Store app. So, how do you download and install the Nike Store app? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. Then, go to the search menu and then type Nike Store. After that, tap the Nike Store icon. Then, tap Install. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. You can see here that the download and installation process is complete. So, that's it, the tutorial on how to download and install the Nike Store app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.